If you want to save or download all your sent emails on iPhone, here's the exact way to do it. So if you're using your Gmail mail account in your iPhone, then you will be able to easily download all of them. To do it, you need to open a browser. In your browser, you have to search for Google, take out Gmail, search for it. Then open this Google Takeout accounts. Once you are in Google Takeout page, first of all, make sure you have selected the exact Google or Gmail account for which account you are going to download all sent emails. And now just tap on deselect all. And here in this list, you have to scroll down and search for Gmail. So we have to select only mails. Then tap on all mail data included. Tap on deselect all. Now you have to deselect all options from here. Only we have to select send. So we are going to download all our sent emails, right? So select here only send, then tap on done. And then here you have to scroll down and you have to tap on next step. And here destination transfer to, you can choose any option. So I'm selecting send download link via email and choose here a frequency. Select here a file type and file size. And finally tap on create export. And here we can see the export is now successfully created. So it may take some hours or up to 3 days to get this download link. Just come to this page again to download your data, or you can check your mailbox to get the download link. So I'm just tapping on download. And now we have to verify our Gmail account password. Then finally tapping on download. Once it's successfully downloaded, now open your Files app and you need to tap on back, then tap on downloads. And here you have to find out the zip file, take out zip. So just tap on the zip file to extract. Then open the takeout folder, mail folder, and open this sent mailbox. And now all you have to need to read these sent mails files, you need to open this in a text editor. So on your iPhone, just install a text editor, then just open the file using the text editor. Only then you will be able to see all your sent emails. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.